Hello guys, myself Riya Shah, and today we are talking about the topic contentment is natural wealth and luxury is artificial poverty. So first of all, what do you mean by contentment? Contentment means satisfaction, internal satisfaction which we all should have in our life, but almost of us are not content, not satisfied with our life, with what we have. Happiness lies in being content. Just ask yourself that are you content? What is the feeling of contentment? Is it in fulfilling all your desires, or is it in being happy with what you have or what you does, or is it in completing all your works? I think contentment is just the simple decision of being happy and being satisfied, being relaxed with whatever you do rather than rushing towards the task and achieving the goals. We work whole day, but at the end of the day we are still not satisfied with what we have done. We are in the state of stress. We think that instead of this we should do that. काश इसकी जगह पे ये कर लिया होता, इसकी जगह पे वो कर लिया होता. ये काश वर्ड कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं होता. Let's take the example of little children. When they are playing TV or watching video games, at that time it happens that if we ask them any question, they didn't listen or they didn't answer them. The reason is only that they are lost in enjoying their games. And many times when they are upset also at a moment, and at the next moment only they forget all that fights, their upsetness, and start playing again without any grudge and without any regret. Now let's talk that be content with all you have doesn't mean that be content with all the things that you have, because contentment doesn't lies in materialism. Satisfaction is not in material things or physical things. It is a feeling that okay fine, I am content with whatever I have. Let's talk it about it once more, where I want to tell that I am content in my life. So for that I don't have to count all the things which I have, that yes, there are 10-15 things in my life and I am content from that. No, contentment means okay, I am fine, I am happy, I am cool, I am looking forward to, I am happy. It is contentment. I remember two lines in Hindi I will like to tell you. जैसे ही मैंने अपनी ज़रूरतें समेटी है, जैसे ही मैंने अपनी ज़रूरतें समेटी है, वैसे ही खुशियाँ मेरे घर लौटी है. हमें हमेशा हमारे पास जो है उसे कुछ ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है. लेट्स टेक एन सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. इफ़ वी हैव साइकिल देन नाउ वी वांट बाइक. इफ़ वी गेट बाइक नाउ वी डिज़ायर्स फॉर कार. If we get car also, we will demand something else. It is the human nature, and it is good also in one way, because if we will not think about next level, how we will grow and how we will get success. But apart from all this, we have to focus that we are happy. Whether we have cycle, bike or car, we should be happy. We should do hard work and struggle to achieve what we want, but at the same time we have to happy with what we have in the present. We have to live in present. And yes, can you put a price tag on unlimited joy and happiness? No, I don't think so, because happiness, we can't buy happiness from money. जब आदमी चैन से खा सकता है, चैन से सो सकता है, चैन से ज़िंदगी बिता सकता है, तो वही है असली खुशी. जब वो सेटिस्फाइड है अपनी लाइफ से तो ही वो खुश होगा, वरना नहीं होगा. एंड लास्टली आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल दैट richness is not in having many belongings, but richness is the contentment of the soul. Okay, so thank you. Be content in your life and be happy.